In this tutorial video we will show you how to add music to your regular Instagram post. The first step is to go to your App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure that your app is updated, because this is a relatively new feature. Next, open your Instagram app. Then tap on this little plus button to create a new post. I will upload this photo and add music to it. Here you will see a little Add Music button. Tap on the Add Music button, and it will take you to select music from the Instagram library. I will just select the recommended music below the Add Music button. And you can choose a specific part of the song that you want to use. And tap here to select the duration of this song. After you have done all this, share the post. That is how you can add music to your regular Instagram post.